Welcome to today's video, where we will explore the capabilities of the National Instruments PXI-4461. The PXI-4461 is designed specifically for sound and vibration applications, offering 2 channels for dynamic signal generation and 2 channels for signal acquisition. It provides 6 gain settings for flexible input range configuration, along with programmable AC-DC coupling and IEP conditioning for enhanced signal accuracy. The PXI-4461 is equipped with the tools and software needed to ensure precise measurements with microphones, accelerometers, and other transducers with large dynamic ranges. This module is commonly used in applications such as audio testing, automotive noise, vibration and harshness, NVH analysis, as well as machine condition monitoring. Here are some benefits for buying from us. If you're interested in purchasing this part or another, you can request a quote by visiting our website at apexwaves.com or emailing us at sales@apexwaves.com. To begin, open NIMAX and locate the PXI-4461 under Devices and Interfaces. First, perform a self-test from the top bar, and once it successfully passes, proceed with a self-calibration. After calibration is complete, open the test panels. In the Analog Output tab, you can configure various settings such as voltage output, sine wave frequency, output mode, output configuration, and maximum-minimum outputs, as well as the update rate. For this demonstration, we will use the default settings and click Start. Next, navigate to the Analog Input tab. Here you can adjust parameters like acquisition mode, input configuration, maximum-minimum input limits, rate, number of points to read, and coupling options. Change the acquisition mode to continuous and click Start. The graph on the right side will display a moving sine wave under the amplitude versus samples view. By switching to the amplitude versus frequency tab, you will see a representation of the sound wave. To demonstrate a finite acquisition, click Stop, change the acquisition mode to finite, and click Start. This will display a static sine wave, which is useful when you need to acquire a specific number of samples, as defined in the number of points to read setting. This concludes our tech tutorial on exploring the capabilities of the PXI-4461. If you have any additional questions, please visit our website at apexwaves.com, where our dedicated team is ready to provide the support you need. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product highlights, how-tos, and industry insights.